What's good? What's good? Good morning and welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Hey guys, if you get any value out of this video, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So currently we're sitting at 33,837. We're up about 0.45% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 634 billion. And then 24-hour volume is 22.28 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you can join the world's fastest crypto app and receive $25 for free in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're gonna hop straight into it, guys, and we're gonna start here on the hourly chart. So in yesterday's video, I talked about this double bottom pattern. You can see here we broke the neckline and we made it all the way up to our technical target. So that was a nice little trade here of about almost 2%. And if you'd like to learn how to trade with leverage, I have a full-length tutorial for Bybit. Please go watch that. So we came up, we met our technical target, and we had a little bit of rollover here. And you can see right here, we've created a double top pattern where you come up. Let me grab my brush here. You come up and you make your top and you make your second top, and it kind of looks like a McDonald's M here, and here would be your neckline. So we broke the neckline and we have our breakdown target. That would bring you down to about 33,608, which would be a nice little short trade here. Almost 2% as well, guys. So always keep an eye on these little patterns here. Great trading opportunities. Now, I did talk about in yesterday's video us having a lack of volume. We did see a small increase in volume, as you can see right here. You can see a small increase in volume. However, it's not as much volume as I'd like to see to show a clear breakout and that we're going to start trending back upwards. So what may happen here is we lose the level of support from our ascending channel and we break back down into our descending channel once again, just due to the fact that we have low volume. So for that not to happen, we would have to hold this level of support from our ascending channel right here, as well as this level of support from our descending channel, our larger channel, which I'll open up here. And we fall back into our descending bullish channel that we've been in for basically almost 2 months now. I believe about a month and a half. Here's, wow, May 21st, and it's now, yeah, July 11th, July 12th, so basically a month and a half here. And we have had quite a few fake outs, as you can see here, fake out, fake out, fake out. And we had that larger fake out over here as well. So we always have to keep an eye on the volume. The volume is still very shady, very, very low. So what may happen is we just fall back into this channel and find some support here around 32K. Now I will drop some levels of resistance. If we are able to hold these levels of support here and we see an increase in volume and we start creating some higher highs and higher lows here, we'd have to break some key levels of resistance. I'm going to drop this one in right around here. So you can see resistance, resistance, resistance in this area, resistance, resistance. So a major level of resistance would be right here at about 34,991. Then of course we have to break these previous highs. There's one right here. Let's just use a price target at about 35,894, and this high right here at about, let me make it more visible, 36,548. Now if we do fall back down, guys, I'll quickly pop open this chart here. You can see we're still in our falling wedge. We have had a little bit of breakout, but we're still hitting resistance on the 20 EMA on the daily chart. So what may happen is we fall back into it, we find support right around 29K, we bounce once again, and maybe we continue to consolidate, or we see that breakout back up to that technical target here at 41K from this falling wedge. So keep an eye on that as well. If you see us continue to hit resistance here on the daily on the 20 EMA, then we will fall back into this falling wedge. However, if we do see that increase in volume, see, look at the volume here, guys. See how it's just decreasing? So you would need to see that spike in volume to bring you back up to 41K and get back above the EMAs here. So just a little quick one for Bitcoin. Shout out to everyone that got in on that trade with that double bottom. nice little trade there, and we'll see if we're able to hold these levels of support, or if we break them and fall back down into our descending bullish channel, as well as falling back into our descending wedge. All right, guys, these are bullish reversal patterns though, so that's always something to keep in the back of your mind. So that's it for this one, just short and sweet for Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, if you got any value, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. You can check out the tutorial for leverage trading on Bybit. I will link it at the end of the video. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. We have over 1,000 members on the Discord, which you can join as well. Patreon link in the bio. And I will see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.